Okay, put the cement remover on here. It's been about 45 minutes. I'll show you some close-ups of what it's doing to it. And then it'll probably take another round to get it all off there after I shut the cab. I'm gonna blast this engine compartment off. We'll do a time lapse of that so you can see it. Okay, it's been about 45 minutes now again on this, and you can see, like, it's just, I mean, it's turning it into paste. There's still some stuck on there, but like I said, as it turns it into paste, it gets rid of it. So then you can just pressure wash away the concrete. Some of these areas over here, you can see where it's been on there, but it turns it into paste. So you get that Portland and it'll just break it down. Anywhere it's been sitting, you'll need to give it a little longer, but pressure washer, take it off. Might take one more round. I'll probably have to do one more round on this machine, but it'll look good.